Welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's gonna be something different because you guys know I usually do little makeup, little transition videos or whatever, but in today's video I'm actually going to, so I ordered me the 613 lace front wig. It's 16 inches, so we're going to color this thing and install it and see what it do. Well, let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so you're gonna boil your water, and once it's finished boiling you're going to turn off the heat and take the pot off of the burner. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your color. I'm using Funky Yellow by Kiss Temptation. You're gonna put in as much as you want to get the color that you desire. And once you do that, you're going to dip the ends to see if the color comes out the way that you want it. And once it is, you're gonna go ahead and just dump in the whole wig and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So once it's done, you're just gonna go ahead and blow dry it. So I didn't show this part, but I did end up flat ironing the wig. Now I'm just going to get the top and everything as flat as possible. I'm using a hot comb and Got to Be Glued hairspray. All right, you guys, so I finished the wig and this is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair all the way back. No baby hairs left out, and just have everything as flat as possible. So I'm also going to be spraying down the Got to Be Glued hairspray down so that my hair won't move, won't come back down. Everything is going to be flat. It's going to be staying in place. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail before I put the wig cap on. Then once I put the wig cap on, I'm just going to remove the elastic band and just stuff all of my hair inside of the wig cap. And I know this is not the professional way to do it, but I was being lazy and this is just a quick way for me to just do it for the purpose of the video. So yeah, don't judge me. So once I put the wig on my head, I'm just going to adjust it and then put the combs through my hair so that it's secured. So I know you guys are gonna see my real hair, but like I said, I was just trying to hurry up and film this video. I'm sorry, it's not very professional. But anyways, I'm just going to line up the wig and just go ahead and spray the Got to Be Glued hairspray and blow dry it. So I'm working in sections. So once all of that is done, you're just gonna go ahead and cut the lace, or should I say I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace.
So I'm just going to take some tiny scissors to get as close to the edges as possible and just have everything nice and clean. So I just started to add little curls to the wig because the end of the hair was looking a little dingy. So, you know, I had to add a little razzle dazzle.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun making it, and hopefully you guys will like and subscribe if you want. You know, I'm gonna be making more videos. Don't worry, I'm not gonna disappear again. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming in and taking the time to watch this video. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye. Love you.